Welcome to watch today's Fresham. 9 ideas for using stucco in a contemporary interior. One of the oldest materials used in Middle Eastern, North African European architecture. 1. Vaulted niches. Simply apply the plaster in thin layers using a rounded trowel, ensuring a seamless result that reflects the geometry of the arch. 2. Accent walls. Adds natural texture and tonal variation to an interior, providing a visual depth that painted surfaces lack. 3. Kitchen backsplashes offers a waterproof alternative to tile. 4. Bathroom walls or shower stalls. 5. Carved stucco panels. 6. Fireplace mantles. Replace the traditional stone or tile used in most modern interiors. 7. Stucco ceilings. Add texture, dimension, and subtle ornamentation to a space. 8. Exterior courtyard walls. 9. Window frames and arches. Was traditionally used to border windows and interior arches.